Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are back with another video. This is an amazing website. The name is KuCoin. Find the next crypto gem on KuCoin. 1 out of 4 crypto holders worldwide is Bitcoin. You can sign up. Now we will check all the things one by one. Please don't skip any part of this videos. This video is an informational video and it is going to be amazing video for you. You can download it by scanning a QR code as well. Here is their support. Need any help? Scan to join their Facebook, Telegram, Twitter and Reddit as well. Here is you can scan QR code and download the app. You can see here 200 plus countries covered, 40 million global investor plus 900 coins and 2.75 billion 24-hour trading volume. You can check crypto market today, their hot list and new coins top gainer are here. You can check one by one hot lists in BTC is in 104.472 Ethereum and KuCoin. Also their own coin is also listed. You can check and try our crypto exchange now. Start trading to get up to 11,000 USDT in reward. View more benefits here as well. We will check all the things one by one, and also you can sign up instant, receive 100 USD token plus 400 USD coupon plus 10,500 future trial fund, and you will be a winner from the beginning as well. Here is their reward hub. Limited time newcomers bonus up to 11,000 USD getting started. 100 USD reward, 4,000 USD coupon voucher as well. You can sign up first, identity verification, deposit and first trade, advanced trade as well. You will get coupon reward as well. Limited time, it will end in this hours. You can see all the things one by one. Trade and deposit here. High yield newcomers enjoy an APR of 100% with an additional reward of up to 2,500 USD for high volume trade. New user exclusive 100% for high assessed. Also we will move back and check explore KuCoin products and services, sport trading by crypto derivatives. KuCoin earn as well. Trading board is also present. You earn passive income and round the clock without having to constantly monitor markets. Margin trading, leverage tokens and gem space as well. Your safe and trusted crypto exchange. Why choose KuCoin? Here are some points you can see. Secure access storage. Our industry leading encryption and storage system ensure that your assets are always safe and secure. Second is strong account security. We adhere to the highest security standard and implement the strictly security practices to keep your account secure. Trusted platform and POR mean proof of reserve, assess transparency as well. Trade anytime, anywhere on the KuCoin and website allow you to trade crypto with ease. You can download it from the App Store, Google Play and Android APK, also using QR as well. KuCoin by your side, 24/7 center customer services. Your question answered. Contact KuCoin customer support with your question at any time. Join our community on the KuCoin global community is home to millions of users from 200 plus countries with support of 20 plus language. Also you can join their English community on Telegram, X, Reddit, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram and Telegram as well. KuCoin help center are also given. What is Bitcoin? What is KuCoin safe crypto exchange? You can set and see all the answer as well. Here is KuCoin corporate product services business crypto prices as well. Here is their affiliate program. You can see their affiliate program. KuCoin affiliate program. Welcome to the KuCoin affiliate program. Refer friend to trade KuCoin. You will get affiliate as well, the highest commission in the industry. Number of affiliates 16,000 as well, commission paid out. You can see, and 200 plus countries. How to earn commission? Apply to become an affiliate. Anyone with the community media or other resources can apply to become a KuCoin affiliate. Promote KuCoin. Share your referral link to the community, followers or other channels. Claim commission as well. You will earn commission when user who signed up with your referral link made trades as well. How much commission can I earn? When invitees conduct spot trading or future trading on KuCoin, you will receive up to 60% from their trading fees as well. Why become KuCoin affiliate? Here are their answers: high commissions, premium brand, transparent referral system, second tier commission as well. Here we will move back and see the other one as well: businesses, bookers, institution, and crypto prices as well. Here is how to sign up now. Start your crypto journey here as well. You can see here all the things: dashboard, identity. I have already my account, so I have login in this way. Here is my UID, identification verified, and KYC is completed. Deposit and VIP level. You can also deposit here. How to deposit? We will see here. How to deposit funds, margin, future, option trading board, financial copy trading as well. You can select USDT, select network as well on Ethereum, BEP20, ERC20, TRC Tone, Sol as well. Also you can withdraw funds easily as well.